Hi there, this is Doc Shing and welcome to my channel. This is a relatively new channel, so thank you very much for dropping by and deciding to watch this video. For those of you who just stumbled into this video, let me introduce myself. I am Doc Shing. I am a practicing doctor here in the Philippines. I specialize in internal medicine and I am presently based in Bislig City, which is in Mindanao, particularly in the province of Surigao del Sur. So our topic for today's video would be what to do when you are stuck at home. So it is very timely since most of us are encouraged to stay at home these days because of this disease called COVID-19. Actually, staying at home is also a form of social distancing, which is presently promoted by the Department of Health here in our country and even the WHO or World Health Organization, so as to prevent further transmission of the virus called SARS-CoV-2 virus, which causes the disease COVID-19. So before we move on to the gist of this video, I hope you would watch this video all throughout and I hope you would like it too, enough for you to click like and also share it to your friends, and I would deeply appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button so that you would be updated of new videos that are uploaded to this channel. So moving on to the gist of this video, things we can do while we are stuck at home. This video, by the way, is actually the first of two parts or two videos that I will be making regarding this topic. So these things might be timely for now because of the self-quarantine or home quarantine or stay-at-home directive of our government, especially in this time of COVID-19 disease. But hopefully soon when this disease will die down, or when the epidemic or the pandemic will die down, these things will also be useful for us when we are stuck at home for some reason or another. So sige, moadto na gyud ta sa unsa may mga buhaton nato kung na-stuck lang gyud ta sa balay, no? So by now daghan na gyud siguro sa inyo ang gipanglaay dinha sa balay, no? Kay kung dili gani kita tanan kasagaran nato, anad gyud, no, nga mogawas sa balay kay daghan rason. Pwede mo eskwela, trabaho, nagnegosyo, una lang gyud lakonon, lakaw man ta magbayad og kuryente, magbayad og cable, no, mamalingke, no. So all of a sudden our lives have changed. Nausob gyud ani tungod aning COVID-19, and even me, no, bago pa gyud ni nako nga experience. So hopefully dili na ni nato mabalik na experience kay lisod gyud kaayo nga kaning mausab atong kinabuhi, pero kinahanglan man gyud ta mo adjust tungod ani nga sakit, no. Ang ilang ingon, no, kay ang social distancing gani, kung avoid crowded places, dayon magpalayo pud jud ka sa imong kasturya at least 6 feet apart, or that is approximately 2 meters apart from the person next to you, no. So ang ilang ingon karon kay mo choose lang daw ka 6 feet apart or 6 feet below the ground. So maura na ilang i-promote pod kay para mahadlok pod ning mga tao nga dili na magsigi og suroy-suroy. So number 1, unsa may atong mabuhat sa balay nga dili pud ta grabe na gyud kalaay. So number 1 is to get enough rest. So kani ang panahon nga mobawi na gyud ka sa imong lawas, kay sige makagtrabaho, sige kaglakaw-lakaw, halos wala gani panahon para mang-arrange sa balay, manglimpyo. So kani ang panahon nga we take things slow. So things would take on a slow down or on a slower pace para pod makapahulay lang sa ta, no. We would give our bodies a chance to rejuvenate na. So Kani apil na ani ang pagtulog og 6 to 8 hours kung dili gyud mahimo ang recommended na 8 hours, no. And then get enough rest also, kanang dili lang sa kay ka magtanaw og social media, because the press releases or the posts on social media sometimes can be alarming, and it might cause you unnecessary stress. So therefore dili ka makarest og tarong ana, no. So as much as possible, rest ta mind and body. Personally, there are days in the week or there are certain hours of the day when I choose to take a break from social media so as to prevent myself from information overload. And regarding this directive of the government and its health department, that is encouraging all of us to stay at home, this actually gives us an opportunity to rest. And in fact, we should be thankful for that, because the frontliners actually cannot do that. Kinsa man ni nga mga frontliners, so kanang mga doctors like me, mga nurses, midwives, janitor dito sa hospital, basically health workers or those who are working at the hospital, those who are working at the barangay health centers, kay gi-empower man po na sila. Those in the municipal health offices, dili po na sila ka stay at home. And even the policemen, even the basureros, dili man na sila ka stay at home. So be thankful of the opportunity to rest and make the most of this time to rest and give our bodies a chance to revive or to recharge our energy. Number 2 on our list would be, ganahan mo ani, watch some feel-good shows. No? So I know by now there might be a lot of shows or TV series that are popping into mind. So kasagaran nato na naman tay mga Netflix subscription. So pwede mo maka-catch up og mga Korean novela. So ang pinakakusog karon or ang pinakailado is kanang Chloe or Crash Landing on You. So ako nitan-aw na pud ko ana, no, pero napa ko sa episode 2, napa po daw daghan nga mga Korean novela nga ganahan pod ko mo tan-aw, pero kay kuan man lagi naman po ko'y duty, so dili ko ka tan-aw gyud og diretso. Pero kamo nga naara sa balay, no, nga giingnan wala say klase, and then gikat short ang mga office hours, pwede mo tan-aw og diretso na ay mga Korean novela like Dr. Romantic, nindot po daw na siya, no? And documentaries, pwede pod. And then, akong ginatan-aw karon sa Netflix, kanang Crash Landing on You and kanang Kingdom, which just released its season 2 episodes, no? And halos kita man po diri tanan na anay subscription sa cable. So hala, sige, pagtan-aw mo cable din ha. So unlimited ng cable ninyo din ha. Pero of course, as I said, back to number 1, get enough rest lang gihapon. Okay? So our third thing to do while we are stuck at home would be declutter or clean and organize. So I mentioned that in the early part of this video nga sa atong kabisi adtong panahon nga wala pa ning stay at home or home quarantine, halos wala na gyud tayo manilhig. Halos wala na gyud tayo mag-arrange sa atong aparador. Ayun, daghan gyud tay mga butang na dapat ilabay na unta, no, or i-let go na unta, pero kanang naara gyapon wag gyud nato gi-let go, no, hugot gyud kaayo, pero applicable gyud na karon. So this might be the time for you to declutter your closet, and then clean and organize your room, no, para at least while you are spending most of your time in your room, you are spending it in a clean and organized place. Number 4 on our list would be start, rekindle, or practice a hobby. Of course, katulang sang hobby nga pwede nimo mabuhat diri sa sulod sa balay, no? So dili lang sa tong mga outdoor games like basketball, kay dili pa man good ki allow karon ang pagsuroy-suroy o mga social gatherings, wala lang sana siya. So, we are referring to the hobbies nga pwede nimo mabuhat sa balay, like mag-drawing ka, mag-calligraphy, no, mag-knitting, crocheting, pwede po mag-cross-stitch, no? Pwede po mag-gardening, no? Pwede po, apil po diri ka ng pag-TikTok, no? Sige na lang ng TikTok kay malingaw man ta. No, naay uban nga nisanib na gyud sa relihiyon sa TikTok, apil na ko bago lang. Pero whatever makes you happy sa panahon karon nga gi-quarantine ta, buhatan na lang na. Kay para dili pod ka bored yun og taman, no? Pero do everything in moderation, especially sa...
Kailan pa kinanta ni Mariah Carey ang Himala? Tagalog yan.
May kinanta po siya noon.
Na Himala?
Opo, Himala.
O sige, paano yung Himala ni Mariah Carey?
I'm gonna take a little time. Himala tells me the heart I can have.
Uy, na-insert man na akong TikTok video. Pero sige lang, mga kalingawan ra po nato, no? Pawala sa kalaay, o maski kadali lang, pawala sa kaguol, tungod aning krisis nga atong giatubang karon. So now we've reached to the number 5 item on our list of things to do when we are stuck at home. Number 5 is to listen to good music. So I know by now most of us have Spotify subscriptions, no? So kana siya, pwede na nato siya ma-utilize para maminaw tag music, no? Pwede man ta maminaw og music while naglimpyo so that we can be motivated while doing our general cleaning. Pwede ra pod while you are lying in your bed inside your room, just to soothen your nerves, soothen your soul, any music that you like, no? And kung wala mo yung Spotify, naman po tayo mga FM station diri sa atong dakbayan, no? And na po tayo bagong FM station kaning The Rock Radio 104.1, no? Which reminds me na interview ko last week regarding COVID-19. So you may also want to watch that. Ang interview was last March 20. So ila ra magibutang to sa ilang Facebook page. So you can also look into that. Special thanks, by the way, to Attorney Rex Mapale and his wife, Attorney Hazel, for that opportunity to be able to share or help the public be aware regarding the disease called COVID-19. And special thanks also, of course, to my family, my husband, nga naangin atong panahon na matatawag sa iyo kay para makaadto mi sa stasyon, and my family, my sister who was watching live from Australia that time, my friends, Bang Bang was also watching from Australia, and then my classmates sa high school, no? Dinhi sa John Bosco School, nag-tune in yun sila adto nga time. And even sa akong mga kauban din na sa Andres Soriano Memorial Hospital, thank you very much for the support. So now, let us summarize the first 5 things that we can do in order to save ourselves from boredom, from staying at home. So, ang number 1, kay get enough rest, pahulay gyud og daghan, pero dili sa hantod-hantod, ha? Ayaw po nang pahulay sa dayon-dayon as much as possible, no? Mo ganing ipastay at home ta para dili ta mataptan aning sakit o buyag-buyag maloy ang Ginoo, makapadayon ra gyud ta aning atong pagpanginabuhi. So second on the list would be watch some feel good shows. So na mo preference, mag-cable ba mo or mag-Netflix. And then the third would be declutter and then clean and organize your stuff. And then fourth would be start, practice, or rekindle a hobby. And then lastly, for this video, number 5, listen to good music. So that's it for this video, which is the part 1 of a 2 series videos. So I hope you like it. So don't forget to click like and share this video to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you will be notified of new videos that are uploaded into my channel. So have a nice day, everyone.